Hey, my name is Rebecca Reel, and I am happy to be a part of the North Carolina Songwriters Co-op Come Out and Play event. So I've got a little tune for us about when you hit the wrong button on the computer. And I think this is a relatable experience. Here we go. The other night I was out with friends. One said his marriage had come to an end. I pulled up his page to investigate. It was there in gray and white. We're gonna separate. So I scrolled through to look for clues. The age of his kids or any more news. His relationship status, your request is sent. Oh my God, I've had a Freudian click. Well, I'm in love with my mechanic. There's nothing in the world that he can't fix. He's my favorite person to stalk, and I really hope that I never get caught. Well, I look back at his old photos. I'd love to tell him how much I like those. Oh no, I think my thumb has hit it. Oh my God, I've had a Freudian click. Freudian click, it's not what I meant. A Freudian click, I've had a little slip. A Freudian click now, what should I do? I gotta find a way to fix this Freudian click. Last night at the bar I saw an old flame. We hooked up and it felt just the same. Next thing I know, night turned to day, and in the blink of an eye I slipped away. Well, I wanted to tell him how much fun I had. I wrote a message that would last and last. Oh no, the wrong name got picked. Oh my God, I've had a Freudian click. Well, I really like my friend's hubby. How he ended up with her and not me. I spend my time imagining and wondering what could have been. Well, I stare at that button again and again. Oh, how I'd like to add that friend. Oh no, that's not what I meant. Oh my God, I've had a Freudian click. A Freudian click, it's not what I meant. A Freudian click, I've had a little slip. A Freudian click now, what should I do? I gotta find a way to fix this Freudian click. Well, now that he knows that I like him, and now the Mary Jane knows it's not Mary Ann. Now that he knows about the photos, now that there's another married man, is it all so bad? A Freudian click, the truth comes out. A Freudian click, there's no hiding it now. We've all survived that Freudian click. Little disclaimer, just because I use the pronoun I doesn't mean those were all my stories, but I think relatable. And thank you for letting me represent Northwest North Carolina and the North Carolina Songwriters Co-op. Again, I'm Rebecca Reel, and from Winston-Salem, and I look forward to hearing you guys' songs also.